You can share your location, your current location with someone on WhatsApp. But for this to work for you, please get to App Store and update the WhatsApp first, okay? Which after that, tap on the WhatsApp application for it to open. As the application opens, scroll to the contact you want to share your location with. So I want to share my location with Mr. Mike, so I will tap on his name. So once you're in the chat area, tap on the plus sign at the bottom left. This will provide you with some options, and one of them is location. Tap on location. Give it a few minutes for it to scan to find out your exact location. Then, after that, tap on send your location. And with that, you have shared your location with the person. So once he gets to his end, he taps on that to see your current location. This is important for safety, all right, in case of any emergency. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.